one shirt. Oh, that's messy, but it's all right. One shirt, my GoPro bag, 1 TB hard drive to transfer all my stuff. My GoPro goes here. The GoPro charging cable, 8 kg headphone from Samsung charger goes here. I think it's fine. I'm taking my Puma bag. You know, it's all torn and bad. I got a new bag. I got a new Nike Max Air bag, but like I said earlier, it got stolen by somebody. It had all my camera mounts. Doesn't matter, we'll get along. I love this bag. This bag has been with me for like 6 years. Good to go. Okay guys, so Rishi's here. Sorry about the poor quality, it's night. I'm trying to give you the best quality possible, but then alright, so Rishi's here right now and he's gonna take my bike to his home for a week or two, and then I'm gonna ride his Baleno till his home, and then I'll collect him and then go to the airport. And our flight is due at 2 a.m. So maybe I'll be sleeping, or anyway, see you guys in the morning. Take care. Shoot. My dad forgot his mobile phone there. Oh my god. So we just told the cabin crew they're going there to take his phone. I think it's coming right now. So anyway, we're gonna sleep in the flight. We are expected to reach Delhi by 5:15 a.m. in the morning. So see you there. Flight to Guwahati, 7:30 in the morning. We're expecting to reach by 9:30, 10. I'm really tired. It's a bit hot here at Delhi, but it's alright. It'll be cold at Shillong, so. So we reached Guwahati and we are going to the arrival point. The driver guy will come right now to pick us up. Dad's driver. So we're going to Shillong. Shillong is like 100 kilometers from Guwahati. Might take 2.5 hours, maybe 3 hours. Traffic and stuff. But anyways, let's go. Okay, so our bags are here. So our car is here. Hyundai accent. Okay, so our car came to pick us up and we are off to Shillong right now. 100 kilometers and we'll take like 2 to 3 So at Shillong right now. Right now I'm at my dad's office. I'll give you an office tour. This I'll be going to home. We didn't have lunch. A bit tired because we traveled during night. We didn't sleep properly. Just got like 5-6 hours of sleep. I have to go back and sleep. But then it was a great ride, you know. The road from Guwahati to Shillong is stupendous. Actually, I had plans to take my bike via flight or train. I wasn't ready to take my bike in a train. Nah. I mean, it's not that kind of safe for me. If I wanted to take my bike, I wanted to ride from Trivandrum to Shillong, but that might take like 3-4 days. I have no time, so we came by flight. Here we are at Shillong. I'll be there for 1 or 2 weeks. Let's see. I'll keep you guys updated. Office tour. Shoot. So thank you for watching this video, guys. If you like the video, just give it a like and subscribe to my channel, and comment down below if you have ever been to Shillong and how Shillong is, how, you know, the places to visit. There are a lot of places to visit here in Shillong. This is my second time to Shillong, and you know, the last time I came here, I vlogged, I covered everything. I took videos, I took photos, and I transferred everything to one of my hard drives. Not this one. This one is my new hard drive from WD. I had an old hard drive from, I don't remember the company, Seagate. Yeah, it was Seagate. Sadly, that hard drive got corrupted and all my data got lost. I almost had 500 GB of data on that hard drive, and that was so depressing. So if anybody knows how to recover it, please let me know down in the comments below if you can help me. I mean, I went to a lot of places, a lot of computer shops, but nobody was able to help. They were like, something is wrong, something else is wrong, and I don't know, if anybody could help me, that would really be great, because I had a lot of data inside it which I needed. Anyway, so I got a new hard drive right here from WD. That's a good one. All right, 1 TB. So anyway, if you like this video, just hit that like button, comment something below, comment about how this video was, subscribe to my channel if you aren't already, and follow me on Instagram for behind the scenes. So that's all. Take care. See you tomorrow. Bye bye. Oh, and I totally forgot this. It's 19 degrees here at Shillong. Really cold. I mean, not that cold, but still cold. I love this climate. I really love cold places. And the climate here is very good. And I don't think I'll be going out today, but I'll be going out tomorrow and the coming days. So that's all. See ya.